Hey folks, time for a big update on my soda system. So back there I still have my two syrup pumps, and above you see my butterfly manifold. That's where the product goes right before coming above the counter. That's still working great. My CO2 tank, now I go to Conroe Welding Supply. They charge me $55 for three 5-pound tanks, and you walk in, you pay for it, and then you just bring your car up to the loading dock and they send you on your merry way. There's my Diet Coke bag in a box, my new huge fan, and hey, that's not a closed cabinet. If you look through there, you see the brick. That's my living room. I've cut a hole in the back of my kitchen sink, so I get air into the cabinet and then blow it through. And then on the other side, this is the big new addition, the remote chiller. It is filled with water and a carbonator. And down in the bottom right, there's a tray, and you can see the hose there that drips the condensate. What's so awesome about that fan is it evaporates the condensate. It doesn't require any maintenance. But if I have to do maintenance, you'll see below that little fan, I have brackets that allow me to pull that board out and roll. You see the remote chiller is on casters. Roll that out into the kitchen and do maintenance. And then I finally installed a really big grate to get air out of that cabinet.